Another quick and easy Christmas in July DIY. All right, so I'm using this piece of board that I have, but you can use the signs from Dollar Tree. They are just a little bit bigger, and my letters are kind of small. And I have these packs of gnomes that I found at Dollar Tree just recently, too. So I'm gonna paint the board this like off-white toasted marshmallow kind of color. I'm gonna give it a couple of coats. This would look nice with a crackling effect too, if you wanted to do that. And then I'm going to paint the letters black, and I'm going to paint the gnome a few colors. This is easier than it looks, because when I first saw these, I was like, how do you section off the pieces to know what to paint? But once you get started, it is really easy. So I painted the beard white, and then I'm going to do stripes in the hat. You don't have to tape it off anything. You just use like a really thin brush, and then I'm going to come in with some red and just do the same in the stripes. And then I'm going to also paint the gift box red too. You can do like a ton of different colors on this. You can just do this in so many different ways. Like I said, this is really easy, and they come in a pack of 5, so you can make different ones, different colors. And probably if you find other gnomes, you can make this sign interchangeable too. But I'm going to do the outside of the hat green, just like the traditional Christmas colors here. So red and green. I thought that would be really nice. I painted the other box green. And then once everything dried, I painted his feet black and just put some other little black details on there. Once everything dries, I'm just going to place it on the board. When I figured out where I wanted to place it, I'm just going to hot glue that down. Just real easy, real simple. You can put drill little holes at the top of the board, or if you have a Dollar Tree board that already have the holes. But I'm just going to hang something on the back. I'm going to make a ribbon for this and bow. Bow out of ribbon. I'm just going to cut it into little strips and then fold them so that everything is centered, and then lay those centers together. And then I'm going to use a zip tie, because this is going to be like a really full bowl. You don't really need anything in the middle once you do all that, because once you fluff it out, it kind of covers up where the zip tie is. You can just pick up a bow too and put that there. But I'm going to put that bow there. But before I do, I'm going to put down some faux greenery, just popping those off the stem. And I'm going to hot glue everything down. So first I'm going to hot glue down the faux greenery in place, like just kind of off to the sides, but not to the sides. And then I'm going to place the bow on top, which is going to cover up all of that I did with the faux greenery. So this is real easy, real simple. And if you already have the holes to hang it, you could be done right there, but I don't. So I'm going to just take some rope from Dollar Tree. Also, I'm just going to hot glue all that on the back. I do this usually with twine, but it's just real easy. Just a lot of hot glue. You can finish this off with some nice ribbon to finish off, but it's a sign, so it's going to be hanging. So you're not really going to see the back, and you can cut the excess rope there. And this is how that came out. It is so easy, so simple, really quick. So if you like, make sure to give it a thumbs up and follow for more easy and fun DIYs.